Okay, I know many of you love drip filter coffee, so now I'm going to show you how to make it. Whereas espresso coffee uses high pressure water to produce the shot, drip filter coffee lets gravity do the work. Because the ratio of coffee to water is much lighter, the end result is much less concentrated. While there are many brew methods, techniques and equipment you can use for drip filter coffee, today I'm using the Precision Brewer. First, a quick note on the dose. The dose is very dependent on how many cups you're brewing and your taste preference. Today, I'll be following the SCA's recommended ratio of approximately 1 to 18. That is 55 grams of coffee per 1 litre of water. Place the filter paper into the semi-conical basket. Gently wet the filter paper. I always do this when making drip or pour over coffee to help with getting the taste right. This machine has both a flat bottom and semi-conical baskets available, but today I'm using the semi-conical as we want to emphasize the bright flavor notes of this medium roasted bean. Grind 23 grams of coffee. The coffee grind size will be dependent on your preference, but a good reference would be to grind to a size that feels like coarse table salt. Pour the ground coffee into the basket and gently tap to settle. Fill the water tank to 500 mils. Choose the gold setting for SCA Gold Cup and let the machine get to work. While waiting for the machine to finish, here is a useful tip. The basket shape will influence the taste of your cup. Try the flat bottom and see which one you prefer. And here it is. All that's left is to serve the delicious coffee from the carafe. Enjoy.